Why does transparency in political funding matter? To answer this, we travel back to 2017, when the Indian government introduced a new tool for political donations, the electoral bonds. A bearer instrument functioning like cash, these bonds were available in specific denominations at authorized State Bank of India branches. They were designed to anonymize political donations, with the donor's identity remaining unknown even to the receiving party, except for large cash donations exceeding 20,000 rupees. However, this novel scheme came under scrutiny for its potential to facilitate anonymous donations to political parties, leading to opacity in political funding. Critics argued this lack of transparency raised concerns about corruption and undue influence. Furthermore, the anonymity feature could potentially create room for hidden deals between donors and recipients. This, in turn, could lead to an unequal playing field, where smaller parties with limited fundraising capabilities might be disadvantaged compared to larger parties with access to anonymous donors. Fast forward to February 15, 2024, a landmark day when the Supreme Court of India declared the Electoral Bond Scheme unconstitutional. The five-judge bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud unanimously struck down the scheme, deeming the anonymity feature of electoral bonds problematic. The court argued that this obstructed voters' right to know the source of political funding, a piece of information crucial for making informed voting decisions. The impact of this verdict was significant. The court ordered the immediate cessation of the sale of electoral bonds and directed the State Bank of India to submit details of all bonds purchased since their inception in 2018 to the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission, in turn, was ordered to share this data publicly on its website. Today, the government is studying the order and hasn't yet issued an official reaction. There's speculation about potential alternatives, but no concrete steps have been announced. The verdict has sparked discussions about electoral reforms and the need for greater transparency in political funding. In summary, the journey of the electoral bonds from their introduction in 2017 to the recent Supreme Court verdict in 2024 demonstrates the crucial role of transparency in political funding. It highlights the potential pitfalls of anonymous donations and underscores the need for informed voting decisions. The unanimous decision by the Supreme Court is seen as a victory for transparency and democracy, as it addresses concerns about undisclosed corporate influence on policymaking. As we await the government's response and possible alternatives, the discussions about electoral reforms and the need for greater transparency in political funding continue.